वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं साऊद आनी भलायकेन. सो आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता शाबुदाना वडा. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल tapioca pattis. Tapioca pattis you can say, fried pattis. So what you need, this is, I have soaked this for 6 hours, and after 6 hours I drain the excess water. So this is like 1 cup of tapioca, that is sabudana. Just you have to wash it nicely and then soak it for 6 hours, and it has to be nicely like this. Okay, then you need 2 potatoes which is boiled, half lime juice. This is 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves and 1 green chili. I have chopped it fine. Then this is peanuts. So raw peanuts, I roasted it without oil, and then I just you can either make into small pieces, but I made it in a grinder. So this is 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of hing, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now let's do this. Oil for frying. Now what you need to do. So first thing, we will mash this potato. Then we add our tapioca to this. Mix all this. I have other videos also, and you can check those also. And then we will add our sabudana, that is tapioca, a lime juice, and mix this, and then we make nice patty out of it. Check the salt and all. हेका बरे भाशेन मिक्स करून घेयात, आनी मागीर हेजे धाकटे धाकटे हे करूंक जाय. वेरी सिंपल. हातीक तेल लावंक जाल्यार तेल लायात आनी हे करून घेवंक जाय. तेजे पयलीं पूण सारके मिक्स करात. सो लेट्स मेक. So you can add apply oil to this. Small is better. So like this only you make. How many you want to fry? Let's go to fry now. I have kept oil, so keep vegetable oil for frying. make hot tea and enjoy. Big one, then you can do big one. So here it is. Now let's go and fry. So 1 cup of sabudana, which is, I always use a measurement cup from Amazon. So much it becomes because potatoes are there and all this thing, peanuts and all. Oil is hot and we will fry this. Medium flame. So don't touch it, let it get nicely fried, okay, till it comes up. तर एका हात लायनाका वहेत जावनी सुशेगाद स्लोली जावनी जब तक ते वयर आपुणूच येतले तेन्ना मागीर परतून घेवपाचें. कित्याक तूं हात लायत जाल्यार मागीर ते फुट्टले. सो इफ यू टच दिस देन इट विल गेट मेस्ड अप. So now we'll check. Okay. So now we will turn this. So like this only, slowly. It has to be golden brown and then we have to remove that. So it's getting golden brown. So this procedure is little bit slow because if you do it fast then inside it will be all raw. That's why we have to fry this slowly. So hope you all will enjoy this Sabudana Vada for your tea, for your snacks or some party. Just enjoy. And I have made different shapes. So you can also make some different shapes, some hearts, some squares, some round, triangle. Now it's time to remove. It's done. So remove it in on tissue paper slowly. Make the gas low. So hope y'all will all enjoy this. Thank you so much. Manta तुमका सगळ्यांक आवडटले आणि तुम्ही करून खातेली. Here it is. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमका सगळ्यांक हें आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातेली. हिंगासर आमची च्या जाता आनी हिंगा आमचे साबुदाना वडा. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. So here is our Sabudana Vadas are ready. The snacks crunchy, yummy and delicious. Try and make this recipe and enjoy. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली आनी तुमी हे साबुदानाचे वडे करून खातली. Thank you.